I've come on today to share the Father's Day card that I've made for my dad. Most of the stamps I've used are from Hobby Art, apart from this little chap down here with his dog on the bench. That's Man's Best Friend by Lili of the Valley. I've had that stamp quite a while, so I don't know if you can still get it. I do know that Lili of the Valley have stopped doing their polymer stamps. That was quite a recent thing, but they are still doing digital stamps. The stamps that I've used for the frame, which I've just set up on some foam pads, this is from Leaves and Grasses, and these ones down here are Janie's Wildflowers. And then in the background, to make this full scene, I've used the sheep scenic, the farm scenes, and I've used 2 from the Walkies set. So yeah, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of stamps, a lot of masking and a lot of colouring, which I used my Kuretake Real Brush clean colour pens for. But I am very pleased with it, and hopefully my dad will like it too. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment and a thumbs up. If you're new here, I'd love you to consider subscribing. If you subscribe already, thank you for coming back, and until next time, cheerio.